In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to begin Amazon affiliate marketing. If you're interested in leveraging the massive Amazon marketplace to generate income, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the initial steps of joining the Amazon Associates program, creating affiliate links, and understanding how you can potentially earn commissions simply by sharing products you love. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is join the Amazon Associates program, which is Amazon's own affiliate marketing program. It's designed to allow creators, bloggers, and anyone with a digital presence to monetize their platforms. This process starts by visiting the Amazon Associates homepage. Here, you'll see an option to sign up or join now. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already, which is pretty straightforward. Simply fill out the necessary information, and you'll be linking your Amazon account to the program. Once you've set up your account, it's time to personalize your profile. Be prepared to provide a little information about your platform. You'll be asked to describe what your focus is, whether it's a niche blog, a social media page, or a full-fledged website. This helps Amazon understand what kind of content you're creating and who your audience is, which can also aid you in strategizing which products to promote. Now that you're a part of the program, let's talk about creating affiliate links. These links are special URLs that ensure any clicks and subsequent purchases are attributed to you, allowing you to earn a commission. To generate these links, go to the Amazon product page of any item you wish to promote. On this page, you'll find a SiteStripe toolbar at the top, a handy tool once you've signed up as an affiliate. Click on Get Link, choose the type of link you prefer, typically text is sufficient, and copy the generated URL. This URL is your affiliate link, which you can now start sharing with your audience. When it comes to sharing these links, think about where your audience engages with you the most. Is it your blog, a YouTube channel, or perhaps social media platforms? Wherever it is, that's where you'll want to place your links. Whether you write a blog post reviewing a product, incorporate a link into a social media post, or mention it in a video description, each click potentially leads to a sale. Lastly, let's not forget about transparency and regulations. It's crucial to disclose your affiliate links, as it's an FTC requirement. Make sure your audience knows you stand to earn a commission from sales via your links, maintaining transparency and trust. Starting as an Amazon associate opens the door to earning by aligning products your followers will appreciate with your content. Whether you share a personal favorite or a trending product, the right strategy can turn your passion into profit. Keep experimenting with products and strategies to see what resonates with your audience best. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I wish you the best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.